MTH Health presents what really happens during a Brazilian. Thinking about getting a Brazilian wax, but not sure what really happens behind that curtain? Whether it's your first time or your fifth, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step, judgment-free, and completely faceless. Welcome to the Ultimate 2025 Hygiene Guide. This is MTH Health, where we break down real health and hygiene topics. No fluff, no faces, just facts. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay till the end to learn post-wax care that most people forget. A Brazilian wax removes all or nearly all hair from the pubic region, front, back, and everything in between. It's more thorough than a bikini wax and often chosen for cleanliness, aesthetics, or comfort. Popular in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, Brazilian waxing is usually done at licensed salons using hard or soft wax. Let's break down the typical Brazilian wax in 5 steps. First up, preparation. You're asked to remove clothing from the waist down, and usually a privacy sheet or towel is provided. The esthetician may trim longer hair for easier waxing. Next, cleansing the skin. A gentle cleanser or pre-wax solution is applied to remove oils and bacteria. Then applying the wax, hot wax is applied in small sections. It sticks to the hair, not the skin. After that comes removal. The wax is quickly removed, pulling hair from the root. Some discomfort is normal, especially on the first visit. Finally, aftercare. A soothing gel is applied to reduce redness and irritation. Still nervous? Here are 3 things to keep in mind. First, hygiene matters. Choose a licensed salon that uses sanitized tools and disposable wax sticks. Next, pain decreases over time. Your skin adjusts and regrowth becomes finer. And aftercare is key. Avoid hot baths, tight clothing and workouts for 24 hours. Yes, Brazilian waxing is safe when done by trained professionals. Mild redness or bumps are normal and usually fade within hours. However, if you notice itching, swelling, or discomfort that lasts more than a day, speak to a dermatologist. So, what really happens during a Brazilian wax? Preparation, precision, and, well, a bit of bravery, but the results? Clean, confident, and smooth. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Drop your questions below. We answer every one.